Hi, my name is Sabir and I'm a digital marketing expert. So from 2021, I'm doing lead generation, email marketing, social media marketing, then lead automation, then Facebook marketing, Google Ads marketing actually. So these are the things that I have done since 2021. So today I'm going to show you that what I have achieved for my client through Facebook ads to generate him clients for his own business and generate more sales through Facebook ads campaigns.
Hi there, so this is one of my accounts where I have spent around $113 within the last 7 days. Okay, so today it is 11/13, it's today's date, and last 7 days I have spent $113 on this account. So here my cost per result was $0.58 per 1000 impressions, and the reach was 144.1k. Okay, so here I have done some ad campaigns, you can see, and in these campaigns like I have 2 service campaigns and one was a product based campaign. Okay, so this was a service campaign. It was for Cyprus, like studying in Cyprus. So if I show you the overview of this campaign, then you can see that for per messaging conversations I have spent $0.38, and in this campaign I have spent $23.98 and got 63 messages. Okay, and I have targeted young people like students, male students who are from 18 to 24 and 25. Okay, 18 to 25 actually. So because they are willing to study in Cyprus, if they have low results, low grades, then they are willing to move to Cyprus because the education quality is very good and they are getting 50% scholarship with their results. Okay, so that is why I ran this ad. I'm sharing the leads overview. Okay, so the reach was 8,697, and you can see the other details. Okay, so this is also another overview of the campaign, and I'm going to show you the ad is not running at the moment. I'm going to update the ads. Okay, so I have initially named the campaign, and after that I have added the budget type. It was an auction buying type. It was an auction buying type. Then the leads objective was leads, campaign objective was leads, and after that I have spent only $5 for daily budget, and like it was for the daily budget, but I always suggest lifetime budget. I always do lifetime budget because the ad was running for 7 days, like the offer was for 7 days. So I added the daily budget one, because in lifetime budget you know that the ad quality is very good. If I spend like $500 per month for an ad, then the Facebook AI will automatically detect that in which days it have to spend more to get better results. And the bid strategy was highest volume. Okay, and I haven't done the A/B testing. I have done A/B testing in another ad that I will show you. Okay, so I was taking the leads in my WhatsApp because as we have to connect, as this was a service campaign, we had to connect them through WhatsApp. We have to call them, and we also have a bot. It is called Botmaster, through which we do WhatsApp outreach. Like if they have contacted us this month, then after 2 months we will contact them again, we will share offers so that they engage with us again. Okay, then the performance goal was maximize number of conversations. Okay, this was the Facebook page, my WhatsApp number, and the budget schedule was 5 November to like 17 November. Okay, it was running for 7 days actually. I ran this before, and last 7 days I ran it again. Okay, then I have added some locations. I don't target every location, and I have excluded some location. It was in my country. I'm showing you. Okay, so I ran this campaign in Bangladesh. So sometimes if a lead like travels from this area to this area, okay, like Bogora, then they also see my ads. Okay, but if someone travels to Sylhet, then they will not view my results. Okay, because I'm excluding these locations because I don't need people from this location, but I need specifically I need people from these locations. Okay, so I have targeted these locations. Then I have targeted the age, like, okay, minimum age 18. Then the age was 18 to 24. Okay, it was for all genders. And then the demography was at high school, at university, at some university. Then I have also targeted the parents. Okay, the parents of the students, like it was 18 to 26, and also the students, because the decision takers are the parents. Okay, and after that the interest, though, like Cyprus is a European country, so that is why I have added Europe, because if I like define it further, then the lead quantity will decrease. Okay, and if I do it for, like, if I do tailored targeting, detailed targeting actually, then people who are similar to these types will be targeted. Okay, so for this ad I didn't do the like further targeting, because if I did that, then my cost per result would increase, and I don't want that. Okay, because sometimes for some products you have to think that if I define it further, then, like, there are people who are willing to go to Cyprus or in any European country within the next month or this month. Okay, and there are also people who are planning to go to abroad in Cyprus or any European country within the next 6 months. Okay, so I also need that people who are willing to go after 6 months, because if they connect me on WhatsApp, then I can send them message, like, again after 6 months I can send them messages through WhatsApp bots so that they engage with me again. Okay, and I have WhatsApp group where I add them, and after that, like WhatsApp community, okay, where I add them, and after that they also log me again after 6 months if they are willing to go to Cyprus for studying purposes. Okay, so I took an existing post and just did the marketing part. Okay, so this was the post. Let me show you. Okay, so this was the post, and the like count was, I think they're not showing the updated like counts, but this was the post. Okay, it was for Cyprus, studying in Cyprus. I included the facilities. This post was designed by me. Okay, so the facilities, and this word is very attractive, so that is why the people were contacting me for getting them actually for getting these facilities, like. Okay, so this was a primary text, and sometimes I include other texts if I need. Okay, like variations. Then the call to action was WhatsApp, and I added a conversation message, so that if they message us, then they will get automatic replies or something like that. Okay, so I haven't included the website events. I can include that, but I actually don't need it for Cyprus. Okay, let's see another ad. Okay, so this was a product based ad, and the spending was very low, and it was a video ad. Okay, the performance was very good, and we got a lot of sales from this campaign, and I have spent within the next 7 days, like the last 7 days, I have spent only $21 and got some sales. So this was also a good campaign, right? The reach was 21,000 people, and yes, 24,000 video plays. Okay, and the video was very good. Yeah, this was the product, and this was our video. Actually, he explained what this system was. It was a doorbell for the door. Okay, we have included the numbers and the order now button, so that it looks attractive and people click through our ads. Okay, we always add a call to action to our ads, and sometimes we do variations, so that like we add different images, different videos on a single ad. Okay, let me show you another ad. This was again similar as Cyprus. Let me show another ad. I think this was the ad. Okay, so I have done some A/B testing on this ad. This was also a very good ad. Okay, it was for studying in USA with 70% scholarship, and it was without IELTS. So this was a very good ad. I also have another variation. Let me show you. Okay, so this was the same ad, but with a different image, and it was 75% scholarship for this, because it was for master's program, and that was for bachelor's program actually. So I have included the text and included some variations for this ad, and it was also for WhatsApp messages. I did this for like it was November 3, and now it is November 13. Okay, so I started this ad actually 10 days ago, and now it is paused. I will pay Facebook again and run these ads actually, and this campaign meets all the requirements, eligibility requirements. So I always ensure eligibility requirements, and then categorizing the ads. I always categorize the ads if the category falls under this section, and if it does not, then I always do the categorizing part, so that it helps actually Facebook to determine if this ad is good or not, or we are promoting something bad or not. Okay, so each and everything was similar. Okay, like for the previous ad, like Cyprus, and I have included some desired locations only, and excluded the locations which I don't need. Okay, I always exclude locations if I am targeting a single country, like in my country Bangladesh. If I target a single place, then sometimes it happens that if some people goes to another locations, then they also see the ad. Okay, from this location, if they travel to this location, they will see. But if they travel to this location, then they are not going to see it. Okay, if they are moving to another country, then they will also see. if they move from this country, okay, like from this location, because this is the location where I'm selling the service. The age was from 25 to 40. This is the eligible age, okay. All right, so this is the message they are going to send us from their side, like this, okay. They click this button and we see the post here, and sometimes we send automatic replies, and sometimes we chat with them, or we just directly call them and ask if they're willing to study in US, okay.